Hello, hello. Mrs. Sarah from Texas, Dallas, Texas, called me. Mr. Martin, are you operating for business during this coronavirus? And I said, of course. She said, I received a month ago, before all this mess start, 4 Oriental rug that we sent to be cleaned in a local Oriental rug cleaning in Dallas, Texas. They come back to us smelling worse than before. I'm going to ship you the Oriental rug, but the landlord would like to hear the guarantee that you have. And I said, not a problem. I will repeat it. 100% guarantee in writing. No trace of any odor. None. No deodorize, no chemical smell, no enzyme, and of course, not a dog or a cat urine odor. I guarantee it in writing, and I develop a cleaning product that it is odor free from the Dead Sea. So upon delivery, my cleaning product will never deposit any unpleasant smell or good smell into the fiber. I had built from scratch a cleaning process that eliminates completely the need to use the scrubber, the enzyme, the deodorizer. A cleaning process cleans the Oriental rug through the fiber, removing all the urine crystals that trap deep inside the foundation of the rug. This is how I receive on Angie's List or Google 5-star review all the way. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the XpetPee machine working. After the vacuum extract all the cleaner from the top of the rug through the rug, through the fiber, everything's fall down to the pen and pump out to the sewage. This cleaning process repeats itself many times until the tube is clear. When the tube is clear, I complete the cleaning process. Simple. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Stay tuned and see my artwork. Originally, I am a wildlife photographer. Thank you for watching PetPeePee video.
on the carpet